Morning.
Good morning.
It is. It really is. Thinking about making some coffee. What are you feeling? A dark roast maybe? Light roast? Breakfast blend? BDSM? Morning tongue dunking? All of the anal stuff. All of the morning anal stuff. What are you feeling? What do you need? I got it.
Just a regular coffee sounds fine.
Alright. Can do that. I'm gonna need to I need that shit. Maybe I'll make chai tea.
Why are you hard?
It's the morning.
Oh, God.
So you wanna do this now?
What's all this noise, man? But,
Not now, Commander! You're gonna have to do this one on your own! I'm finishing this!
Finishing what?
You, Commander, I leave it to you to make these Halloween cookies excellent by the time I return.
Not today. Holy shit. Well, guys, I guess we're making Halloween cookies today. There goes 14 years. This is my baking box. You know, this really isn't that bad. I can actually do a cooking show by myself for once. I mean, that's kind of rad. But I know that the high priest put all his best baking items in here for me because Halloween cookies is his absolute favorite. So let's see what he's got. Looks like some bowls for mixing. That's real nice. We got milk, vitamin D added. That sounds healthy. Butter, my all-time fucking favorite. Gimp mask of some sort, I think. Oh, we're gonna need these measuring spoons. Those are definitely important. Ball gag. Got a human. That's a real human scalp. Nice hair though. That off the side. Death Unit brand cookies. Powdered sugar. Yup. Oh, food coloring. Hell yeah. Really only need red for this one, I think. And then paper bag. Oh my fucking god. Let's get to it. Looks like the priest left us with a lot of goodies. We'll get started here. Gotta get a baking pan out real quick, and then we'll preheat the oven. So you're gonna wanna separate these about 2 inches out, 2 inches apart from each other. Now if these ones are warm, you're probably gonna want them to be a little bit colder because they're easier to do that way. Sweet, preheat the oven to 350. Boom. Oh, already there. And I think it just goes.
Enough running. It's time to finish this.
Let's get started on the frosting. Put this aside. Wait for that thing to warm up. Right, let's do this. First you grab your bowl, then you grab your sugar. Cool, so you just put a random amount of powdered sugar in there. And then we're gonna add some milk. It's not like baking's an actual science. Actually, in fact, I know one thing. The priest taught me this. Cooking is an exact science, and baking is 100% feel. And that's accurate. You also want a little bit of softened butter in this. I don't know how much. That seems good. Oh, that's the oven. Let's, shit, how? Make 13 to 17 minutes. I just say like random cook 2. Pop these in for about 13 to 17 minutes until they're golden brown on the edges. I'm gonna do 13 and then I'll check on them. So while those are cooking, excuse me, baking, we're gonna be making this stuff. Just stir the butter, the milk, and the sugar together until you get a consistency that you like. Add more sugar if you have to. Oh yeah, that's nice. This is great. I love this. This peaceful time we get without the priest is just, it's just you and me. It's really freaking relaxing. All right, this is starting to thicken up good now. Whisk that shit together till it's thicker than that sweet, sweet goddess Rachel Ray, and you'll have yourself a nice little sauce there. Nice little sauce. Once it's to a good consistency and thickness, we add the red food coloring in, mix it till it's, you know, the right shade of red. Yeah. The trick to getting a good red is to add a little bit of blue. I know, sounds crazy, sounds crazy. Just add 2 drops, let's see how that goes. And hey, if you fuck up, you just make more sugar and milk mix. Like look, this looks like fucking Go-Gurt or something. Yeah, yeah. I can go for Danimals, I like Danimals. Need a little bit more red. Oven's ready. Oh, thanks, man. Legit. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Kick him in the nuts.
This isn't over, cunt! Oh, fuck.
Cool, got the frosting in the bag. Just cut the littlest little tip off the top, and then we can start dressing these up, or decorating. Oh yep, that's smooth. That's nice and smooth. Not coming out as thick as how I, you know what? We're making, you know, this is fun.
This is fun.
We're having fun here when it's just the commander.
Just the commander.
You don't have to worry about the priest. You know, nobody breathing down your neck. None of that shit. We're just making cookies, you know, having a good time.
Making cookies.
Oh yeah, look at that. We'll do like a little drizzle on some of these. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. You like that? You like that? You like that? Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Oh yeah.
You know you like that shit.
All right, and that's how you make sugar cookies. They look fucking awful. Once your icing's all done, they're pretty much ready to eat. You can thicken it up and do little designs if you want, but you know, you just had some fun today, you know? That's what it's about. Just having a good time. Oh boy.
Oh my god! My scrote's ruptured!
That's unfortunate. I made your favorite though.
Those look like shit! You're a shit baker! Fuck you! Oh god!
I think he's gonna love them. It's a win-win. We had a good time. He wasn't here. Happy Halloween.